Now, let's talk about using A+ signature for retirement funding. Right? So, marami sa atin gustong mag-ipon for retirement. So, ano ba yung mga different options na pwede natin gawin? So, let me just, reiterate that in a lot of my videos, I talk about the 2020 rule in retirement. That if you plan to retire and enjoy 20 years of your retirement life, let's say you retire at age 60, and then namatay up to age 80, so 20 years yun gusto mong ma-enjoy, you have to prepare 20 years before. So parang 40 pa lang, nagpa-prepare ka na for age 60, para pag nag-retire ng age 60, may ipon ka for age 80. Okay? So, still the premise is like that. You still have to, the longer you save, you prepare, the better. Alright? But how about people who are, let's say, in their 50s or nearing that age, and then 10 years from now na lang or even shorter, gusto na mag-prepare? Alright? So, ito yung magandang product kasi at the end of 6th year, may makukuha ka na kung 10 years and 20 years to pay. Kapag nga 5 years to pay lang, at the end of the 5th year, may makukuha na yung 10% payout starts from that. Alright? So, this is how I will do it. No? So, I made a quotation for a 47-year-old male. Right, let's say 47 years old, gusto niya mag-retire early before age 60. So kung makikita mo, without any riders, 1 million face amount will cost him 235,550 for 10 years lang. So 10 years lang siya maghuhulog, 235,000 a year lang. Alright? Then on the 6th year, kung 47 siya, by age 53, may marireceive siyang 100,000 every other year. So my proposition is that, again, if you can, get one policy this year and then get one policy next year to help create a yearly pension during retirement. Ang tanong na lang, magkano yung gusto mong yearly pension? Diba? At the end of the day, gagastusin mo rin naman yan in the future. Right? And in retirement, the responsible people prepares for his or her retirement, right, in the future para hindi siya aasa sa pamilya niya, sa mga anak niya. Tama ba? Would you agree? So if you're that type of person, ayaw mong umasa sa ibang tao. So, kanino ka aasa? Sa younger self mo. Ngayon, habang young ka, while you're young and able, you can take care of the old and the older person that is you, who may not be capable during that time or gusto na mag-slow down. So habang malakas ka pa, start ka nang mag-save and invest today. So get one policy this year, get one policy next year to help you create a yearly pension during your retirement. Alright, so for me, that's how you use A+ signature for retirement.